Hello. Today is the hardest decision of Bobby's life.
What's up?
So, this morning, her dad or someone at the shop sprayed out a few different color cards, and we have to make, or Bobby has to make her decision as to what she wants. Let's go ahead and lay everything out on this table real quick, and let me show you guys what we got. So this one right here, that is the factory Phantom Black color on an Evo. These two are some color cards they sprayed out. This one being like a diamond black. I think it's a Chrysler color. This is a Ford color, it looks like. So those are quite a bit different. And then this one here, I think is Bobby's favorite decision, because this one here is 18L. This is a Java Black Pearl, an 04 only Subaru color. And you can see it's pretty similar to her Phantom Black, but it has the darker look that Bobby wants.
I'm just trying to pretend I'm a Subaru out here.
Bobby really wants a Subaru color on her Evo, and I'm not sure why. If we're being completely honest, the Phantom Black of an Evo, it's not the most beautiful color in the world. It has like purple violet in it. And this Java Black, you can see without the light how much darker it actually is. Here's with the light. So what we're gonna do, Bobby, is, here you go. Here's your new color. The only thing that we are not spraying on the car is the jams. So when you open up the door, we don't want it to be a significant change. Of course, it's gonna be a little bit off, but no one's ever gonna know, except for everybody that's watching this video. So that right there is the difference. It's got the same like gold brownish effect, but it's just darker.
Can you put the light closer to it? Yeah, you can see all the red in the original color and like the violet, and this one's like yellow and gold.
What do you like?
I like this, but I want to hold up a few more. The other color that I really like, it's just really dark.
That's super dark.
Again? I mean, it still has gold flake in it. I just don't think it has enough. Fuck. Make sure.
You're really struggling out here.
I think we're gonna have to go with the 18L.
Now, Bobby, this isn't a think situation. This is we're picking the color. They need to order or do whatever they got to do because we're spraying this thing like tomorrow.
Order it up.
So
ASAP.
You're going with Java Black Pearl.
Yeah. Do you not like the color?
No, I do. It's just a Subaru color, so it's kind of funny.
What can I say?
Okay. Call your dad. 1 gallon, please. You think they're still at lunch?
Mm-hmm.
Devin.
Bob. She made her choice.
Yeah?
She's wanting the 18L.
18-0?
18L, as in 18 loser.
Okay, 18 loser.
Yeah, so it's that Subaru color.
Okay, the Subi.
Yep.
Okay, when are you gonna have the car up here?
I have to just put on the stock wheels and then pull some seals real quick, and then I'm gonna swing it through Northwest and get the glass pulled.
Okay.
So I should be there by 3.
See you then.
I will see you then. Bye.
Okay, see you.
18 loser it is. That means you're a loser.
I forgot to wash that side of the windshield.
Yeah. All right, so here's the plan. The car's all ready to go. We're spraying either tomorrow or Sunday. Today's Friday, if you're wondering. We brought the stock wheels. We're gonna put the stock wheels on it just so we have more clearance to like spray and not paint the wheels and whatever. I don't know. We're just putting stock wheels on. And then I need to pull the side, or not pull, but lower the side glass down and pull those seals. And then we've opted to make this thing absolutely perfect, Bobby. And this is non-contestant. We're pulling the rear glass and the windshield out. And the reason for that is because we want it perfect. We can mask it off, but why mask it off when you can just remove it and have it perfect? We're going for perfection. And then I do need to do a light sand on the deck lid there and the rear bumper. So let's go ahead and get all that knocked out, get this thing loaded up in the trailer, and go pint. One's cooler. Can you tell which is which? That's Phantom.
That is?
Yeah, that's the stock Evo color.
Okay. Yeah, I do like that more.
That's what we're doing anyway. So I'm glad you agree.
I agree.
Wow. Your car's next. Yeah. You got 10 G's to paint your shitty car? All right, we loaded up the car in the trailer, drove about a mile, unloaded the car. Now we're gonna drive it across the street to the window shop. This thing looks hilarious. We gotta get this glass pulled. Hey, what's up, brother?
What up, buddy?
Are you available at all tonight so I can come pick that damn car up from your shop?
Yeah.
Okay, what time works for you?
Do you want to come right now?
Hell yeah, I'll come right now.
Okay, cool. I gotta clean up a little bit. But yeah,
Alright.
come on, head out.
Ooh, this is exciting.
What, another Evo to add to the 1,000 Evos I already got?
So I can steal some parts.
You ain't stealing shit.
I am,
What
you
the hell?
said.
What are you stealing?
The air vent clips.
I bought another Evo 6 months ago, and I'm just picking it up today.
How are you? Yeah.
Alright, we're good.
Alright, oh yeah, you're good.
Alright, let me give you guys a quick tour of the newest Evo, not even a project. I specifically, not primarily, but specifically bought this car for a parts car. It is I think it's a 2010 Evo 10 SE, so it does have the automatic trans. No, these wheels did not come on it, these are Bobby's wheels. And yeah, he wrecked the car, but we need so many parts off this car for all the Evo 10 projects that we have. So I'll dig into it a little bit more later on. But yeah, here she is for now. Pretty sick. What's the one part you're gonna steal immediately?
The cluster. It's so long.
Pretty sure a SE cluster is different because it like faded in and faded out. It was really sick. I think it's a little different than a regular GSR or regular Evo cluster. And Bobby's stealing it. So as you guys know, I do still own the final edition Evo 10, and that car is wrecked. So let me backtrack a little bit. This car here is wrecked in a few different places. It's hit in the front right side, a little bit of core support damage, not all that bad. Frame rails are good, but it's also smacked pretty hard in this right rear quarter panel as well. The whole driver's side of the car is mint, and that just so happens to be where the final edition is hit. Final edition's hit right in this corner right here, and we're needing a ton of parts off this car because I am going to be fixing, and I'm not sure when, but I'm going to be fixing the final edition Evo, and I'm super excited for that. And the reason why I bought this car, I actually got this car, I think I committed to buying this car the same exact day I bought the final edition. Of course, I bought this car to fix the final edition. And not only that, we have all these other Evo 10s. The orange Evo 10, I really want to replace the headliner in it because the cage that was in that car destroyed the headliner. Stock steering wheel I want to put back in that 10. Bobby wants the clutch out of this car for her 10. The list goes on and on. You guys can see why I bought a parts car. And the rest of the parts off this car, I'm probably just gonna sell. So if anyone needs Brembos off of it, I don't need. The seats out of it, I'm not gonna be using. I know they're worth a lot of money. That'll help recoup some funds from this car. If you need a trunk, a quarter panel, doors, the roof. If you need anything off this car, hit me up. I'm gonna be selling a lot of the stuff that I don't need. I don't want it sitting around for too long. I'm just gonna yank the parts I know I need off of it, or I may need in the future. She does have the Bilsteins on it as well. No motor, no trans. I do have a good T case for it, so if you need a SST T case, hit me up. That is the reason I bought this car. I know today is probably a short video. Over the next 2 days, we are masking and painting Bobby's Evo 10, so I'm super excited for that content, and I hope you guys are too. Obsidian or Java Black Pearl 04 STI color going on her Evo should look pretty good. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed today's random video. Peace out, my friends. I will see you boys in the next one.